Hello friends and welcome back to GoodGrades Mathematics online classes. Bodo Secondary Education Class 10 gi previous years questions discussion. Okay, so coordinate geometry gi session number 8. Other question ji question jina high is karino. Okay, question jina point ahum piram. Okay, point ahum sigi mana kano piram coordinate amma ani ahum. Okay, coordinate ahum piram moina point si collinear oena hiram. Okay, collinear oi brabadnina, what can we understand from this? Collinear oi hiramnina moigi area si 0 oirani. Natra adu itadi moisi collinear oena piramabnina x by a plus y by b hariba expression sigi value kya hoidino. Okay, adu itadi ekhoina collinearity condition decisionarni, and then we'll try and find out. Okay, so this question is 1 mark 2006 very easy. Collinearity we have to use area is equal to 0 under all circumstances. Okay, so let us begin. XY pyramid. So we have x1 is equal to x, y1 is equal to y, x2 is equal to a, y2 is equal to 0, x3 is equal to 0, and y3 is equal to b. Okay, so area of a triangle formed by these three coordinates is equal to half x1, we'll remember 1 2 3 anti-clockwise, x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Natra substitute taurasi, we have x1 kano, x1 is x, y2 minus y3 is 0 minus b plus x2 is a, natra y3 is b, y1 is y, plus x3 is equal to 0, y1 minus y2 is y minus 0. So let us continue. Half x into minus b lani, plus ab minus ay, plus 0. So we have x minus xb plus ab minus ay. The expression of since these 3 points are collinear, sigi point ohumzimana collinear o and piramnina sigi area si should be equal to 0. So now 0 is equal to half minus xb plus ab minus ay. We have 0 is equal to minus xb plus ab minus ay. Okay, sigi mathangda sigi expression z moina pirammiba expression x by a plus y by b je puthokpa brings. Now I koina question jina hangi ji karino yengasi x by a plus y by b ji kayano an hangbane. This is what the question is asking of us. Adu ita di sigi expression ji is da I koina x yawam phang silera y yawum lera. Okay, adu ita di x by x yawbusiga y yawbusiga side amatang da thamna tause, will transfer it to the left hand side. Okay, now adu the x by a is sona kan la di xb, sorry xb minus xb is sona kan la di xb plus ay is equal to ab hariba term amla. Okay, sigi matungda kamai tawni haiba matamda dividing by ab. side animak se AB ne divide tawsilasi. So we have XB plus AY divided by AB natra and AB divided by AB. Segregate tawrasi, separate tawrasi, X by XB divided by AB plus AY divided by AB is equal to AB by AB di 1 tarni. Now, there is a pyramid expression. There is the equation kari kaktan aviyare. B ga kaktan aviyare. Natra E ga kaktan aviyare. Okay. Adu ita de koi da kai lera X by A plus Y by B is equal to 1. Adu di moina question na hangiba X by A, Y by B is equal to 1. Have you see? We'll go back to the question and we'll see if there is 1. Yes, of course, there is 1 is option A. The answer C. A. It's the same process that we are doing. Let me repeat, collinearity have condition. All we have to consider is area is equal to 0 haribo concept. See, adum seasonagani. Okay. So this is the end of session number 8, and with this coordinate geometry topic C, we are done with coordinate geometry. Last 10 years, the Hangiba question in coordinate geometry, we have discussed every question. The question should go through all the videos that we have done. It will help you a lot in the examination. And in case if you have any doubt whatsoever, please get to us. Comment section da type to below. Okay, if you have any doubt, we will surely address those doubts. Or anything, any doubt whatsoever with regards to coordinate geometry, you please use the comment section and reach out to us. We will surely try and help you out. Doubt clear, we can even make a new session just to clear your doubts. Okay, so this is the end of coordinate geometry. I hope you guys had a good learning experience, and I will see you in the next class with a new topic. Thank you very much for joining us. Have a great day ahead.